Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen. Do so twice, as you've seen. And we're looking for the power options, which are visible right here. So click on it, and then it will give you two options, power off or restart. You want to hold power off. This will then change into safe mode. So as you can see, tap again to restart your tablet in safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your tablet. I'm going to tap on it once more, and this will now initiate the said reboot. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, we have safe mode marking right here. And it did say that on the downloaded applications will be disabled, but as you can clearly see, not only downloaded applications are disabled. So we have a bunch of apps from Samsung themselves that are turned off, widgets, clock for some reason even, game launcher, pen up, Samsung Health, calendar, notes, and a browser even. So these are all the applications on the first page that come with this device that will not work. There's a couple more in the Google folder. As you can see, Drive, YouTube Music, Google TV, Photos. I'm not sure why Photos isn't working, but whatever. And then on the second page, we have Netflix. And under Microsoft, we have Microsoft 365 and Outlook. So these are all applications that come with this device that will not work in safe mode. There's obviously also other applications that you have downloaded, or all of the apps that you have downloaded will be turned off. As you can see, there's a couple games right here that will not work. So yeah, now this mode is genuinely designed for troubleshooting your device. So if you have some kind of problem, you would boot it into this mode and solve that problem, hopefully. And once you're done solving that problem, you would obviously automatically go back to normal mode by just finding the power button once more, and this time around selecting restart. The device would boot back up again and automatically go back to normal mode. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.